Alright, let's take a look at the F1 score, the last KPI we'll take a look at today. And you see it takes into account both recall and precision. So it knows if you increase one, the other may drop, and the other way around. So it takes into account that fact. Remember, if we can't live with the fact that we predict somebody has no cancer and the person actually has cancer, if we can't live with that, we need to have the false negative to be 0 and your recall will be 1. You know? If you can't live with false positives, what's a false positive? That means that you tell a person he has cancer, yeah? But the person actually does not have cancer. Yeah? If you don't want that scenario, then your precision needs to be 1. And of course, both interplay, and they give an F1 score. The higher the F1 score, the better the classifying. Okay, that was it for lesson 3. Lesson 4, we will actually dive into the classification algorithms. And the first one we will take a look at is the k-nearest neighbor classifier. Once we've seen the classifier and the theory on the classifier, we will do our first coding exercise. Yeah. So thank you. See you next time.